Hi, Amina. There's a lot going on, and unfortunately, probably where you're at, you're not getting a lot of help. The reason that you're talking about core stability is because you don't have the core through the pelvis. You really need hip x-rays, and I need to see them. I need to see them for the way that your child's moving to help you with that. But with the femoral torsion, now I have femoral torsion, not to that degree. So the way that the legs are bent and so forth, that the hips being out of alignment, and then that structure coming out and it being blamed as cerebral palsy, is where you're at. So the core strength that you're looking for is not going to be there because you don't have the pelvis. What you need to look for and start working on is core movements. Right? He didn't go into his development structures, and I really, without getting good vision on your child too, and so he's kind of stuck with the eyes. His eyes might be okay, but he needs to be worked on. We've got to up his visual functions to negotiate what he doesn't have in his body functions due to structure. Once you have the hip x-rays, we can, make the corporate decision as to what's going to be done with it. It might be something that has to be left that way, or something that can be altered, but we won't know until we see the films. And you get that information that you need. Meanwhile, I would work on the sitting and vision, and some of the spinal videos that I have working on the spine. If money's an issue, then just work with the breathing one. The breathing works on all the spinal movements. I know your child doesn't have problems with breathing, but again, the movements have to be so stabilized to get the vision as much as he can around. And with the weak vision, because that's where you see the head bob, that's where you're getting into the complications of, again, where the core has to be without having the pelvis. And so strengthening the vision, and I'm going to put down a couple of courses, is your priority, and then working on the spine with the vision, and go after the sitting and vision course. The real priority is just getting those hip x-rays and some kind of eye examination, and then I need to look at it, and you need to understand where you're at with those hips. Thanks.